Hey everybody, it's Evelyn the Toy Tamer. Welcome to my November hello. Well, things are still going along as usual. Still haven't moved, still here. Good news is that means I can do more playrooms before the holidays. And you want to make sure of something this holiday season. You don't want to get a lot of huge gifts in your house. And this is really talking to grandparents because they're usually the ones who bring them in. Huge gifts make quite the impact under the tree, but they are not good at all when you've got to find a place to store them in your home. You know that, you're a mom or a dad, you know they take up too much space, and they definitely don't usually earn the space they take up. But there's nothing like that big, moment when there's something huge under the tree or during Hanukkah or whatever your gift giving season is. Bigger is better in a grandparent's view and in a kid's view, but let's switch that around a bit. I suggest instead of giving big gifts, give big adventures, give big experiences. A trip to the zoo, a subscription to the aquarium, a day out with grandma and grandpa, whatever that might be. But here's where you make it different. Get a balloon, like a Mylar balloon, put it into a big box or a big gift bag and put a little note at the bottom of it saying what the gift is. And then wrap that big box or put that big gift bag under the tree, or wherever. And then when the child opens the gift, the balloon is going to rise up to the ceiling with a little card attached to the ribbon saying exactly what the gift is. So the child gets the big funness of opening up a big gift, but you don't have to deal with the big stuff. And that way you also get a fun time out, an experience, something you can remember. So that's my idea for this month. But I also have another idea. I have a wonderful friend named Nadine who has a really cool business, my business is pretty cool, but hers is pretty cool too. She's a chocolate sommelier, and I'm sure I didn't say that right. But she has an exquisite palate, and it can help you get a gift of chocolates exactly what the person you're giving it to wants, or exactly what you want. She is amazing at what she does, and she does it both, and she does it online. I'm going to put all of her information down below so you can contact her. But what she also does is she does chocolate tasting experiences, whether it's a family type of an event where you're tasting different chocolates, or it's a corporate type of event. That's where she really excels as well, because she leads you down the path of fine chocolate. Now, that would be a perfect gift for a husband, a spouse, grandparents, whatever. I wouldn't suggest it for the kids, so you could do your own version of really cheap chocolate. Don't waste the good chocolate on the kids. They're not going to really appreciate it. But if you want a really memorable gift for an adult, definitely reach out to Nadine. She can get you all set up with whatever you need. So that's it for this month. If you have any questions about playrooms, please leave them down below or give me an email or a Facebook mention, whatever. I'm here to help you. I do a lot of posting at least once a week. So if you haven't seen me lately, check your feed. Maybe, the algorithm has bumped you out or whatever. But I am still here. I am still posting. I am still wishing you a wonderful season. And I still have time to give you the perfect playroom. All right. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.